If you're a teenager of any age, I got good news for you because in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you my favorite methods on how to absolutely cash out as a teen. I'm going to be giving you methods in today's video that literally no other video is going to give you. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be teaching you a method that literally anyone can use of any age range, of any experience level to make over $10,000 a week just like I do. So if that sounds interesting, you guys are definitely going to make sure to stick till the end of this video because on the Xavier channel, I teach you how to get literally anything for free. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an upload, because I am literally teaching you guys how to get anything for free. I have videos on here on how to get free stuff on Temu, how to get free Cash App money, how to get free whatever, literally anything you could want, free Amazon, I got it all. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss an upload. With that all being said, we're just gonna jump right into it, but as always, thank you for watching. Number one, it's going to be to get a job. Now, I know that this is going to be the answer that you're going to want to hear, and believe it or not, this is actually not the best answer. I am going to be giving you guys a solution near the end of the video that I personally make over 10K a week from, that I barely spend more than an hour in a week on. So you guys are definitely going to make sure to stick till the end for that. But if it comes to making some easy money right now, if you guys just want to make some money, if you don't really care about actually building up your future, if you're kind of just like the 99% that are just like, yo, I don't really care about my future, I don't really want to build any kind of online income, hey, that's perfectly fine. But if you want to be special and you want to be the 1%, if you want to be literally the most unique part, which if you guys actually did click on this video, I guarantee you that you're actually part of that minority, I would highly recommend sticking till the end of this video to learn how exactly I make 10K per week. But if you do want some money right now, getting a job is not a bad option. You can go ahead and reach out to some of your family and friends and see if they have jobs for you. You can go ahead and go work at Mickey D's, go work at a grocery store. It doesn't really matter. Go ahead and just get yourself a part-time job. You can only work Saturdays, you could only work Sundays, to just go ahead and make yourself a little bit of extra money. But if you do actually want to cash out, I would highly recommend sticking near to the end of this video, because I will show you a method that anyone of any age range or experience level can use to go ahead and cash out this year. The next method is going to be reselling. I've made a ton of videos on this channel about how I made a lot of money going ahead and doing AirPod reselling. So if you guys actually want to learn that, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel and check out any of my videos on the AirPod reselling. I have a lot of very valuable information that you guys can actually actively apply right now today to go ahead and completely cash out from reselling AirPods. Plus, you can also make a lot of money from reselling LV Slims, reselling JBL speakers, also iPhone XRs. There's a lot of money to be made if you guys actually know the reselling game. So I highly recommend going ahead and checking out my dedicated video about that. But if you guys want a quick summary, basically all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and buy electronics at a cheaper price and then resell them on eBay. Now, consistently, you should be able to make about $100 profit per product. If you're not at around that point yet, that's perfectly fine. You can go ahead and price yourself a little bit lower. All you're going to want to do for this is you're just going to make sure to actually deal with all the shipping time and the shipping costs and all that stuff. But if you want a method for making money that you actually don't have to do any of that for, I would again highly recommend sticking till the end of this video, because I'll show you exactly what I do for making money that literally anybody of any age range can also do. Next up, I would consider DoorDashing or Uber Eats. If you're not 21, you can't do actual Uber or Lyft, but if you are under that age, if you're anywhere from 16 to 21, you can actually go ahead and DoorDash. My brother personally does DoorDash a lot, and I actually made a full guide on how to DoorDash, and he makes about $1,000 a week from DoorDashing, which, you know, is like fine money. If you want to stick it around that point, I guarantee you 99% of people will be like, oh yeah, that's fine, I can live off that. But if you actually want to be the 1%, because I guarantee you if you're actually part of the 1%, then you probably wouldn't have clicked on this video, I got good news for you, because near the end of this video, I'll go ahead and show you the exact method that I used. But we're actually going to be jumping into the next method, because DoorDashing and Uber Eats, while they aren't bad, you can make some money. You do have to do things like pay for gas. You do have to actually deal with the customer service part of it. But if you need some money right now today, if you don't want to actually build your future, I would highly recommend just doing that. The next side hustle for anyone of any age range is going to go ahead and become a content creator. But Xavier, I don't know what I could add if I was a content creator. I don't think people would listen to me. People would listen to you because you portray yourself as an interesting and engaging source of information of all kinds, or entertainment. There is 4 reasons why anybody would watch a video. Number 1, because it looks good. If you just have a newer iPhone, you can go ahead and actually make videos that do look good. It's pretty easy. Number 2, because it has information that you want. This is more where I fall into, where there's specific information that people want that they can go ahead and actually get for themselves, and your videos will show them how to do that, which I'll explain a little bit more of that later. Number 3, your videos are incredibly engaging and entertaining. Think like Mr. Beast. He's making very entertaining videos that basically everybody wants to watch. Or number 4, you're spending a lot of money. Now, there's reasons why guys like Quan, their biggest videos on their channel is them buying a Hellcat or them buying a new GT or them buying a McLaren or whatever, or car guys, whenever they buy a new car, that's always the biggest video because people want to live vicariously through you. So that's why they'll go ahead and watch you buy this expensive shit. However, that's obviously not going to work if you don't have anything expensive, if you don't have the Prada, if you don't have the Gucci, if you don't have the Rolexes. So you guys actually can't use that method yet. But if you do actually want the easiest method of becoming a content creator online, think about number two, thinking about that information source. Think about videos that you've searched up on YouTube or searched up on TikTok before. Highly engaging, short, simple, educational content showing people how to do specific things. Showing people how to, I don't know, how to make money as a teen, just like this video, or showing people how to do a certain software, showing people how to edit videos. These videos will get views on their own because people are actually looking for this kind of stuff. And because your videos are actually good and they're engaging, you'll go ahead and actually get views for that. And you'll get paid in two different ways. Number one, you'll get paid in AdSense, which AdSense is great because you don't have to do anything for AdSense. The AdSense money just comes to you. And number two, affiliates, or number three, your own products. I would focus on number two, affiliates, because me personally, I made over $20,000 with just one affiliate, which is kind of wild, but I actually want to talk to you guys about that a little bit later, so just stick on for that. But you guys can go ahead and also cash out from the same affiliates just like me. There's a ton of different affiliate programs you guys can go ahead and sign up for, and there's a lot of ones that nobody even knows about. I've heard of like gold IRAs that you can go ahead and sign up for, that you can make a lot of money with that. There's also gambling. You could get like a 25% deposit sign-on bonus per person that signs up. You guys kind of have to get crafty, but if you don't feel like getting crafty, if you just want to follow a proven blueprint, just like the top 1% would, 99% of people are going to watch this video and they're not going to take action. So I'm very happy that you are the 1%. You are the unique minority of people that are actually willing to take action. You clicked on this video because you know you're different, or you're a young man or woman who wants to absolutely cash out. So what I would highly recommend doing is I would recommend checking out Xavier.net. On Xavier.net, I will show you the literal cheat codes to life, where I actually include my signature method for going ahead and absolutely cashing out. I call it the real way, because there is only one way to gain freedom, which is the real way. The price is going to increase very shortly, but currently it's only about $27. And I feel so confident in this that if you do the method and it doesn't work for you, go ahead and reach out to me and I will give you a full refund, no questions asked. And you can actually go ahead and keep the course. I don't care, it's a digital product, but you have to go ahead and reach out after you do the method because there's specific steps that I want you to do. Now, with the real way, I'm going to teach you exactly how I leverage social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok, just like your favorite influencers do, that I have generated literally hundreds of thousands of dollars from. I have created over $50,000 of free value from just this one channel. And with the real way, I'm going to teach you all the different ways that I go ahead and do that for the price of only about $27. So if you guys want an insane return, which I currently do actually plan on increasing the price of the real way to $997 because a lot of people are really interested in it. And I do actually want to gatekeep this information as much as possible, but I'm only making it $27 because for the first time in your life, you are actually going to have to pay for your information. You're not going to be able to do what you do in school, which is you're just going to get crap education for free. No, in this case, you're actually going to have to pay for real information. I already make thousands and thousands of dollars every single week. I don't need your money. What I need is I need your commitment. That's why I charge for the real way. And if you actually go ahead and just read everything on the real way page on Xavier.net, there is actually a ton of free value for you guys just right here. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. So I would recommend thinking about it like the Costco samples. If you go to Costco and you just get full on the samples, hey, you're still eating, right? So I would treat Xavier.net the same way. I do have a lot of really good free stuff on here. While you guys are at it, I would highly recommend also going to the next link in the description and checking out Xavier's Kitchen. This is my exclusive method site where I have methods for only $10 where I will teach you literally every single hack that I have found out through my years of grinding and figuring out the different ways to game the systems that we use every single day. I would highly recommend checking out my free unlimited DoorDash method, and every single one of these methods are only $10 because like I said, I just want you guys to actually have some skin in the game. You need to actually be committed, and for literally less than a price of a Mickey D's combo meal, I will teach you literally how to resell AirPods, make over 10,000 a week and not get banned. I will teach you how to get free Apple products like free iPhones and free AirPods. I'll also teach you my CashApp glitch, which will literally double your money on CashApp. There's no other glitch like it. I've literally bought all of them. They do not work the same, and this one is actually real. It is a real way to double your money on CashApp, and it's not some stupid app that you download. It's an actual verifiable method. In worst case, it's only $10. If you guys try the method and it doesn't work for you, hit me up on the email. I have a support email, and I'll give you a free refund, no questions asked. But you have to try the method first. Keep that in mind. On top of that, I'll show you how to get free unlimited DoorDash, and there's a lot of really great methods, and I have a ton of different new ones. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out Xavier's Kitchen. And as you can see right here, we are also 5-star trusted, so you guys can go ahead and get some motion today. With that all being said, guys, we have in fact hit the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, as well as going ahead and like the video, and make sure to check out Xavier's Kitchen and Xavier.net, where for literally less than a price of a new pair of shoes, I will teach you several different ways to make $10,000 a week, which is an absolute steal for you guys. I want to see everyone get rich. It makes me happy when I can make people rich. So make sure you guys go ahead and check all of those out. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a good day.